All right, well, that's a bad shot and a bad way to start the vlog, but my buddy Jack picked up a Sur-Ron. So now we're riding 2 deep and we're gonna go, thank you for that. We're gonna go get into some shenanigans on the Sur-Rons. Whew. Well, we made it, went through Hope Ranch, checked the ways at the pit, and yeah, up at Ellings, and we're gonna ride my favorite downhill single track that's here. So let's ride. Couple little rock features. Yeah. Whoa, that's some loose dirt. Oh, my phone fell off, dude. Look at that. Never ever has that happen. Well, you're probably faster. Yeah. That thing's a lot more nimble. Yeah. A lot more braking on this. All right. I forget which way I like going.
Huh?
I forget which way I like going.
This way. The other way is the way we came.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the guy's coming up right now anyway. Go, go, go.
Oh, wait. Oh, he's right there. Okay. I thought he was coming up here. I was like, oh, so fun, huh?
Dude.
Oh.
Yo, this is straight to Wonderland right here.
Right by my pad, dude.
Like, I feel like this is like where Sur-Ron should have been tested out, dude.
Yeah.
Like the factory right here in Santa Barbara, and you just test a couple riders. Hey, go take these new models out over here on that thing all day.
Totally.
See how it performs, see what kind of battery you get out of it.
Woo!
Yeah.
Some fun single track. Yeah. Lost my phone off the handlebar mount. I guess it got a little loose from all the crazy rock features, but thank God we were able to find it. And we're running 47%, so we got a couple more runs in us before we got to head out. Phew. What do you think, Jack? What do you think?
I'm not sure. I know you're recording, dude, and I was like just in awe of this place.
Oh,
Cool,
he likes it. I think he likes it.
Right?
Woo. The new Sur-Ron test facility coming to you ASAP 2049.
Looking at?
Sur-Ron.
What's that?
It's a e-bike.
Cool.
It's kind of a weird hybrid. It's super kind of rugged off-road e-bike.
Wow.
Yeah, they're really fun.
How much time do you have with battery?
Its range is, they say 40 miles, but I mean that would be, you know, like a 150-pound person going on flat pavement.
Okay.
But I would say more like 30, around 30. But like there's so many factors, it's hard to give an exact range, you know.
So it's like a souped up moped, man. It's electric for you.
Yeah, well it's like one of those like Trek e-bikes, something like that, just no pedals, you know. Like you still have all the regulations, like 28 miles an hour max, even if you're like straight downhill full throttle, like
really?
you can't go any faster than 28.
Yeah.
But it's got a sport mode where it'll release the torque a lot faster. Like it just gives like a lot more torque.
Wow.
But you start playing with that mode and you're down to like maybe 20-mile range.
Right. So that's pretty cool.
Throw you back before we lose our range.
All right, one more. Let's see it.
What's the price on that?
I got, they're like, woo, I'm glad I held on to that one. Yeah, this way. Bunny rabbit. A good line, bro. I like that line a lot. Beach cruise, finish off the evening. Take this moment and reflect on what you're grateful for in your life and just let it marinate and imagine and manifest more of that gratitude into your daily life. Thanks for watching, y'all.